Check it out. I have been so daggone impressed with Fire Maple. They sent me another one. I guess they're impressed with us too. This is the Fire Maple Star X2. It's slightly larger, almost like a pot rather than a cup than the last one that we did a review on. What they sent me this time was this bigger pot. They come with some extra sleeves, comes with a carrying case, and they added in a French press edition for me to show you all and see how it works. Let's see where it takes us. So again, this is how easy this is to use. Turn on the gas. We're going. We're going to heat up the water. Have the top to keep some of that heat in there, and it works exceptionally well. The handle will fold up on top of there, as well as when the handle is closed, you have this piece of equipment to hold everything really tight. So most everybody knows I don't drink coffee, but the camera lady loves this stuff, and I'm all about taking care of my woman. So we're going to let this boil. We're going to utilize, she doesn't drink coffee either. It's not coffee, it's cacao. But this is good stuff. She loves it. Cover it up with our press. Yeehaw. Turn it off. We'll let the goodness do what it's supposed to do in there, and then we're going to press it out. While we're waiting, check it out. So the top fits exceptionally well. It does have holes so you can let some of the steam off, and that actually lets you know, hey, everything's good. Same is true for the press, the French press top that's on here as well. The press itself comes in a nice little container here so you can keep it separate. And again, I think I mentioned this earlier, but you've got these different sleeves, and they make all sorts of different ones that you can get something where you prefer, different colorations and stuff of that nature. And again, the bag holds everything together rather nicely. Fire Maple, I think it's a JetBoil killer, quite frankly. It's half the price, if not more, and it works just as well, if not better. And I've been incredibly pleased with cooking meals in it, as well as making stuff like this in it. Apple cider is my favorite drink, warm drink in the outdoors. So check it out from Fire Maple. This is the Star X2. We'll come back to you in a minute when it's ready to drink. Almost forgot, this is the other piece that sits on this as an apparatus, and you can put any pot on top of this and utilize the same burner. All right, so let's press this slowly but surely. I want to take care of my woman here. She's working hard behind the camera. Put it in our favorite NRS cup. So check all the links below for the Fire Maple Star X2, and we got another video for the first one that we got as well. You can check that as well, because these are fantastic. Fire Maple.